When I first came across to the mirrorless system, what confused me was when I went to shoot with my old Canon strobes or flashes. A lot of the time when you are using a flash, you might be dropping the ambient light down really low. So if you're using a third-party flash, the screen will go black as if it's not letting any of that ambient light into the display or EVF. I still have some of the cheap Yongnuo strobes, and I have to do this every time I use them. To keep seeing what you are photographing, you need to go into the menus, tab 2, page 6 of 9, and switch live view display off. With this off, the monitor and EVF will now act like an optical viewfinder, and you can go about your business seeing what you're photographing. Just remember when you've finished to turn it back on. On the other hand, if you have a flash made for Sony, it should activate this automatically. But it's really something you need to know about when using manual or third-party flashes. Or if you're using a flash, you really need to know that this is the setting that you turn off. So remember, tab 2, page 6 of 9, turn live view display off. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.